Okay.
No, I did June stuff this morning, you know, the...
Oh, yeah, I was looking for a mask. I couldn't find one.
Okay. We have speed, I'm sorry.
We have speed.
I noticed some real interesting, like, little wrap belt type jewelry.
Slung. The sling and the body. There were two very important messages that I came out, and it related to the clothing and to the jewelry. The tailored and the relaxed. Slung belts, slung necklaces, chains that moved. The jewelry had an enormous amount of movement to it. And it also had that molten gold kind of antique quality that was, you know, embedded stones, Baroque gold pearl earrings with, you know, encrusted tops on it. Very sensual, very, very sensual, but very direct. It looked real.
It wasn't?
Yeah, it's a real costume.
Let's talk about the shoes a bit.
Shoes were fabulous, weren't they? They were really great. I think the modernness of the toe, the long, lean toe, just is so beautiful that it just makes the foot look so elegant. I think the shoes are elegant. They have so many different attitudes about them. They're embroidered, they're slippers. I think basically I would have to say the shoe collection is based on a slipper. Stretch in the shoes as well, bullion, not loafers, just slides. That new wonderful crisscross heel that I'm insane for. It's like this body foot, it's like a wrap kind of pump. The shape of the heel, the graphicness of the gold against all the colors.
There was the shoe for evening. I'd like to get a separate statement about that gold shoe, which was just fantastic.
The lace,
Oh, I fell asleep.
the lace shoe.
I just fell asleep. I couldn't believe it. It was so weird.
Well, I know the feeling, I
You
believe.
didn't ask about color.
We discussed color.
Yeah. The gold shoe for evening, it was like a gold lace.
Oh, I just had this gold lace I found. You know, you always are looking for a gold shoe, and this is like absolutely the perfect gold shoe. Is a gold lace shoe. It was beautiful, and that T-strap of how the shoes work up the leg. You know, it creates this very long and sinuous line. The shoes make you look like you have legs for days.
Twist your left shoulder.
Over the past couple of years, really, since you've started, as opposed to getting a lot of press and all of that, and then things petering out, in fact, things have just been exploding for you. I mean, it seems you're getting hotter and hotter. Why do you think that is? Why do you think there's such a response to what you do?
I don't know. I think I touch a nerve. I think that people respond to what I'm doing. You know, I do answer a need. They get off on feeling good. I think, you know, I'm talking to them, we're talking to each other. Yeah, that's what you need. You know, I need it, you need it, we both need it, let's do it, you know. I need a belt, I need a bag, I need stockings, I need eyewear. Like I've just designed my eyewear, but I came up with the new eyewear, you know, because I looked at my eyewear and said, now I'd also like to have this. A new bag, a new belt, a new piece of jewelry, new gloves, new jackets. The jacket's not, you know, I want this, I would need a cashmere jacket now. To me, the cashmere jacket is like the quintessential piece that you throw on with everything, you know. I won't have enough cashmere jackets. The slouch, you know, the sarong pant, the jersey skirt. I thought I couldn't do a better draped skirt, you know, wrapped tie skirt until this season. That skirt is good. That's a good skirt.
When you go out and you make the personal appearances and people meet with you, What do women ask you the most?
How do I do it? What should I put together? They're looking for direction. There's no question. But there's so much merchandise out there today. How many times one goes into a store and it almost is frightening because there's so much? And say, okay, just nice and calm. Why don't you do 7 easy pieces? You know, this season I would have to say it's the white blouse. It's a unitard. It's a unitard dress. It's a jacket. It's a sweater. And it's an evening wonderment. I'd love to see a gold sequin scarf that everyone owns. Because these are kind of the pieces you pick up and will last forever. You know, a velvet anorak. Mm-hmm.
Do you feel that it's a part of your job really to just make it easy for a woman to get dressed so that doesn't...
I feel it's a part of my job to do it for me. And I know if I'm doing it for me, then there's somebody else out there who wants it too. Now, that's a real personal statement. But my record shows that if I want it, then there's somebody else out there who wants it too.
That's good. Okay, now, you buy a lot of fabrics from Italy.
Mm-hmm.
How come?
Italy is, they're very attuned to designers, you know. Italy works with me. You know, we work together. But that's not true. You know, I also buy from all over the world. But I love spaghetti. I love Italy. The people are friendly. There's a working atmosphere in Italy. They understand, let's try it. You know, let's go for it with the quality. You know, because they are really interested in quality. It's not necessarily just, let's do something new. They're not that kind of thinking. For Agnona to do the kind of stretch fabrics that he did for me is unique, totally unique.
How do you feel season after season having to answer the same questions about color, about length, about all that? Do you think that's what fashion's about, really?
No, I think that each season I do owe it to my customer to say, I've been working on this collection for 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. Why? Don't you find when you go to a museum and then you listen to the tape recorder as you see an exhibition and it all is explained, all of a sudden it comes alive to you? Well, in the stores, I don't think the collection comes alive. Hopefully in video, it does come alive, you know, and that's what I try to communicate.
Okay, I feel very good about it.
You've got it all in one.
Did you